Sir, I'm Marites de Vera. I live in Philippines in San Juan, Bolivar, Quezon, Nueva Vizcaya. I am a single mother with one son, 16 age, and I have seven siblings. My father and mother work is a farmer and a vendor. I work in Singapore for 11 years. I just came back last February 24, 2026. I take care two kids since they born, and my main job is the two kids and to bring them in the school, to fetch them and bring them in the sports centers, and sometimes I teaching them also like the maths in English for their homework and spelling like this, and I do cooking for the dinner for the 9 people in the house. I do cooking and to tidy the house. And I love gardening outside. I do gardening also. I love to cook, to buy the things for the house, and I'm willing to learn some more recipes for the cooking, and I am a hardworking. I'm working for them for 11 years in one employer, and I'm looking for my employer to be long-term employer because I'm a patient and hardworking and love the kids. I love the kids to take care, and cleaning the house I do, and to tidy the house, and all around when I'm in washing the car, 2 cars, I wash the car every 1 week. We wash the car, and willing to learn some more to my future employer. Please help me because I need to find another employer and a good employer, because I want a long-term service, because I have one son. I am a single mother. He is going to college next year. That's why I want to come back in Singapore ASAP, because she need my financial. Because I'm a single mother. I want to give a future to my good future to my son, and I love to come back in Singapore and work and hard work and to my new employer. Thank you.